Good morning, remote learners. This is Dr. Shivers. I'm here for your morning announcements. Today is Thursday, September the 10th. Today is a music day. We're back on schedule after Labor Day on Monday. Today I get to share with you a little bit about science, some of the things that you'll be learning in a program called FOSS. That stands for the Full Option Science System for kindergarten through 5th grade, and Science Dimensions for 6th grade. Both of these programs are really strong and so exciting. You're going to learn about science and engineering practices, about cross-cutting concepts, and about disciplinary core ideas. I just want to share a little bit with you from a short video. This will tell you a little bit about how these programs work.
In today's ever-technologically advancing world, we are living at the speed of science. And we need to educate our students to be scientifically literate, ready to ask questions, define problems, investigate, analyze data, construct explanations, and design solutions, ready to take on the future. The next generation science standards provide an important opportunity to improve not only science education, but also student achievement, reflecting a new vision for American science education, creating a context for learning, comprehending the core knowledge and ideas, and engaging in scientific and engineering practices helps to prepare students for broader understanding and deeper levels of scientific and engineering investigation.
So there's a lot that you'll be learning. I just wanted to play that clip so you could see a little bit. These investigations have about 4 parts. First, your teachers will help you understand the context with prior knowledge, with questioning, and with planning. Then you'll actually do an activity. Sometimes that'll be a demonstration from your teacher that you'll watch. Other times you'll be asked to find supplies around your house and actually do some of the science investigations. It's really important for the third part, for you to have a science journal. That science notebook or journal will be where you put all of your ideas and your recording of what you're seeing. Then we'll analyze those ideas with discussions, with writing, and a process called sense making. We hope that you also hear a lot about this concept called phenomenon. A phenomenon is something that happens in the real world that we might not understand at the beginning or we have questions about, and then we'll learn more about. So you'll hear phenomenon a lot this year. There are 5 extra steps. We want you to get really excited about STEM careers, considering how you can solve problems with these skills in the future. Number 3, we want you to have a deeper understanding of the disciplinary core ideas, the cross-cutting concepts, and the science and engineering practices, as well as turn you into active investigating learners with a lot of inquiry. We also want to advance literacy and math skills in science. Here's some of the topics that you might be learning about in physical science, earth science, or life science. Grade 6, you'll focus mostly on the earth science strand. Remote learners, I hope you have a great day. Keep up all your great work. We'll talk tomorrow.